This might be one of the most boring videos I've ever made in my life. It also might be really interesting. I really don't know how this is going to turn out. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I keep talking about painting the Civic, and today we're going to start the process by sanding the entire car down. And I'm hoping I get this mostly done today. I probably won't, but we're going to try. We're using two different kinds of sandpaper today. I have 120. This is really to cut through a lot of the clear coat because the clear coat is a bitch. I also got 220 for the rest of it. So we're going to just start masking off lights and stuff and start sanding things down. This is a very time-consuming process and it takes a really long time. I'm hitting bare metal in some spots, but I'm trying to just make it really smooth. I want to hit down to the primer level and not really do bare metal stuff, but just this took 20 minutes just to do that little quarter panel. Yesterday I got down and dirty and did my whole trunk, and that took forever. It took a couple of hours, so we're just gonna keep grinding away at this. We've been at this for about 45 minutes to an hour, and like the quarter panel is like almost done, which is pretty good. Again, I'm doing everything over 120, and then I'm gonna go over everything again with 220 just to make sure everything is smoothed out, because I'm not going for bare metal. I am gonna be priming the car, but I'm gonna be going just smooth. I think that's the way to do it from the research I've done. Again, it's my first time painting a car. I've never done this before, but we are getting there. 45 minutes in, one quarter panel is pretty much done. Again, we did the trunk yesterday, and we're gonna start knocking out the doors, and it's getting hot out here though. I've got friends like trying to build show cars right now, and they get their cars professionally painted, and I'm the idiot trying to do it myself. This is rough. Maybe I should just put a matte clear coat over this and leave it, because it actually looks kind of cool. So one of the next things I have to do is take the door trim off, and I'm out of tape, and all I have is like a metal pry tool, so I don't really want to dent the car. So I might just go pick up more tape or go pick up a plastic pry tool so I don't dent anything. I just hope those don't break, because I know those things are expensive and they're fragile, so gotta keep at this. We're on day 2 of paint prep. CZ Mate is here with us today, so we're gonna get this done even quicker than before. We got pretty much all of the paint done, so we're almost there. I have to do the bumpers, do a little bit of body filling on the passenger side, go over all the plastics with some really fine stuff to get out some gouges, and then we are pretty much ready to prime, and that is very exciting. So we're getting very close to these last steps here, but she's all like sanded down and ready to go almost, and I'm beat, but I'm excited. I have been pretty terrible at documenting this process, but at this point, the body of the car is completely sanded down. I even did some body work on the rear quarter panel, so there was a hole there, which is now patched and looks a lot better. It got a little sharp, so I sanded it down. We still have one spot that's a little bit iffy, but once we take everything apart again, I think I can fix it. So I have to do the bumpers just with like 1,000 grit just to get some of the scratches down, scuff them up, and then we gotta clean the car and we're ready for primer. So I'm gonna say that we are pretty much done the prep work, the main prep work of this, and like the car is looking pretty freaking mint right now. Well, actually looks really ugly, but you know what I mean. So we are going to probably end the video here now. I'm not sure how long this video is, but we are very close now to actually starting to lay down paint. So just gotta do the bumpers and clean everything, and then we're ready to start masking and painting, which is super exciting. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. This video's been like 3 weeks in the making. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So if you guys please do a few things, comment, like, subscribe to the fun stuff. Keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.